Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the cross-browser parallel execution. So cross-browser parallel execution in TestNG allows you to run the same test simultaneously across the different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So this technique significantly reduces the overall test execution time and helps the validation and application compatibility across the various platforms. So consider a scenario: you need to run the same test simultaneously on the multiple browsers to save time. So this involves the combining the TestNG's parallel execution feature with the test configuration for the different browser instances. So analogy, this is like a multiple drivers testing the same core model at once. So real-time example, so Chrome, Firefox, and Edge test running the concurrently in parallel. So here is the syntax of how we are going to write in the testng.xml file. So under the suite level, we are going to name it as a cross-browser suite and parallel equals to test and thread count equals to 3. So we are going to name it the test level, name equals to Chrome test. So and we are going to write down the parameters like parameter name equals to the browser and value equals to Chrome. So and inside the class level, so we are going to name it as a package name and a class name. So this is how we are going to write down the for the Chrome test in the testng.xml file. Similarly, we are going to write the test level tags for the Firefox test and Edge test. So moving to the usage, like it will reduce the overall test execution and validate the cross-browser compatibility efficiently. So memory trick like parallel is equals to the multiple drivers testing the same app simultaneously. And conclusion, like cross-browser parallel execution leads to the faster and more reliable validation. So interview tip, so like if asked how do you run the Selenium test on the multiple browsers simultaneously in the TestNG? So you can answer it like by using the parallel test in the testng.xml file with a thread count and pass the browser as a parameter to each test.